Welcome to All Car Review channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. The all-new Hyundai Kona Electric is the latest addition to the successful family, reinforcing the company's leadership in the eco-car segment. It merges the strengths of SUV with the power of electric powertrains. Hyundai is the first automotive brand in Europe to make a fully electric subcompact SUV available to everyone. By already offering the broadest range of powertrains, Hyundai is at the forefront of eco-mobility. The company marketed the first mass-produced fuel cell vehicle, the X35 fuel cell, and recently introduced a successor, the All-New NEXO. Additionally, the IONIQ is the first car available with 3 different electric powertrains in one body type. Winning several prestigious accolades from media and industry organizations, the IONIQ is one of the most awarded eco-cars in Europe. The success story of Hyundai's SUV range began 17 years ago with the launch of the Santa Fe. Since 2001, Hyundai has sold more than 1.5 million units of Santa Fe, Grand Santa Fe, Tucson and All-New Kona in Europe. They all carry the dynamic, progressive style of Hyundai and make it an established brand in this still-growing segment. A car of no compromise. The all-new Hyundai Kona Electric enables customers to combine the 2 fastest-growing automotive trends, electrification and SUV style. It carries the same expressive design and go-anywhere attitude of the regular Kona. The fully electric version reflects the individual lifestyle of modern customers who benefit from great fun to drive and the low environmental impact of a fully electric car. The completely new platform of the Kona enables a space-saving integration of the battery packs without compromising the roominess. The power of all-new Hyundai Kona Electric, you define it. The all-new Hyundai Kona Electric features 2 different powertrain versions, offering customers one of the most powerful electric motors. The long-range battery version provides driving range of up to 470 kilometers, delivering a maximum output of 204 picoseconds, 150 kilowatts. With a battery capacity of 39.2 kilowatt-hours, the basic version drives up to 300 kilometers on a single charge with the motor delivering 135 picoseconds, 99 kilowatts. With 395 Newton-meters of immediate torque and an acceleration of 7.6 seconds from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, the all-new Kona Electric provides a real fun-to-drive experience. Progressive design. The all-new Hyundai Kona Electric adopts the expressive-looking and powerful front from the regular Kona. The key design differentiator is the closed grille, which gives a clean and stylish appearance, while also enhancing aerodynamics. Another characteristic element of the front design is the composite light, enhancing the visual impact, with the LED daytime running lights positioned on top of the LED headlights. The Kona Electric's 2-tone roof and the choice of 7 distinctive exterior colors underline the personal style of its driver. Electric drive feeling. A special feature of the all-new Kona Electric is the shift-by-wire operation module, which enables an intuitive operation of the electric powertrain. The adjustable regenerative braking system allows the driver to adjust the intensity of the regenerative braking by using the paddle shifts behind the steering wheel. The system recuperates additional energy when possible. Drivers also benefit from the large 7-inch supervision cluster, which displays key information about the car's driving performance, and, in addition, the combiner head-up display shows relevant driving information directly to the driver's line of sight.